Can you believe that anything around you can turn into a talking character that teaches you in a fun and entertaining way? It can be a steering wheel, a turn signal lever, even a toothbrush in the bathroom, a coffee cup on the desk, or a sneaker. Anything you can imagine can become a small character with facial expressions, a unique voice, and a short message for the audience.
I decide where we go.
I'm not bitter. I'm protective.
This year, I discovered Flova, the tool that does everything for you. Today, I'll show you how to make talking object videos by yourself. Short, engaging, and perfect for going viral on TikTok and Instagram Reels.
Je suis un œil fatigué. Le stress visuel et les carences fragilisent ma rétine. Les dommages commencent lentement.
Je suis la carotte. La vitamine A améliore la vision nocturne.
Je suis la mangue. La vitamine A et les caroténoïdes protègent la rétine.
Je suis le saumon riche en oméga 3. Je nourris la rétine et réduis la fatigue visuelle. Je contiens de la lutéine. Je protège tes yeux du vieillissement.
Un œuf par jour. Zinc et vitamines pour tes yeux.
Moi la noix. Les oméga 3 soutiennent la fonction visuelle.
Je suis l'orange. La vitamine C réduit le stress oxydatif oculaire.
This type of content is extremely trending right now on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Pages using talking object videos get huge daily views. These videos are short, fun, repeatable, and generate huge engagement. If you are a content creator, this is the perfect time to ride the wave. The massive views make this type of content a golden opportunity for every creator. Anyone starting today can quickly build a large audience and showcase their creativity in a way never seen before. First, go to ChatGPT, then go straight to the Explore GPTs section. Search for a GPT called Object Talk, designed specifically to turn any object into a talking character. For example, I chose steering wheel. GPT gave me a ready prompt with 5 scenes: the steering wheel itself, the turn signal lever, the speedometer, the rear view mirror, and the brake pedal. Each scene has a short first-person script with facial expressions and movements to match the character. You can use anything else: a coffee cup, desk lamp, toothbrush, sneaker, or even a football. Everything can become a talking character with short, fun messages. The important thing is that each scene includes 4 related elements to create a complete single video. After copying the prompt, paste it directly into Flova and choose VO3 Fast from the video section. Flova is the tool I discovered this year, and it allows you to make professional videos in an unbelievably easy way. The great thing is you can start with the video directly, and it does everything for you without needing to create an image first, all in a smooth and fast process. The feature I loved the most is Flova's Assistant IA. You can treat it like your friend. It asks you many questions to make sure you get the best result possible, like, do you want to adjust the character's expressions? Do you want to change the lighting? You can ask it to repeat the process, or use an image, text, or audio, and it does everything automatically. You don't need any complicated manual adjustments.
I designed the character and the first scene, and saw the result immediately. You can adjust the character's look or the cockpit lighting before moving to the other scenes. I created the first scene with professional results, high quality, and the voice perfectly synced with the mouth movement without any mistakes.
I decide where we go.
Then I requested to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and continue the rest of the scenes in the same way. Every step ensures consistent quality for the character and environment, as if you are really inside the car.
I decide where we go. I will guide our journey.
Jerky hands, distracted scrolling, sudden swerves, I feel it all. Jerky,
Treat me steady, and I'll keep you alive.
I created the next 3 videos in high quality, exactly as I wanted. Same aspect ratio, fully professional, as if you are inside the car. Each scene has accurate expressions, synchronized movement, and direct voiceover from VO3 Fast. Then I asked it to merge all the scenes together, and it did it immediately. I was amazed by how easy the process was. Flova is a complete tool that contains everything you need to create professional content. After merging, I went to the chronology section for editing, where you can freely adjust everything, merge clips, reorder them, or add any clips we created earlier on the platform, all very easily. You can easily change video dimensions. For example, the first video was 16:9, then I converted it to 9:16 for Reels and TikTok content. And the process continued with the same quality and precision, keeping the voice synchronized and mouth movement accurate. Flova offers multiple plans, starting with the free plan that lets you test all the basic models and direct videos with audio, up to paid plans that expand the library, increase speed and production efficiency, and give full commercial rights without watermark. You can try all the tools for free before subscribing, which gives you freedom to learn and create without any obstacles. The registration link is in the first comment and in the description box. The biggest advantage of Flova is that you can continue in the same chat, send new clips or prompts, and repeat the process in the same way without starting from scratch. Everything is easy, fast, and professional, as if you have a full production team working with you. Now that you've seen how anything around you can become a talking character, you have all the tools to start yourself. Try Flova, start a small project, and take advantage of this unique and profitable trend. Don't wait. Every minute you delay might make you miss your chance to ride the trend. By the way, I also have an Instagram page, and I tested this method myself. I created 2 videos using this exact process. The first one didn't perform well, but the second one reached over 4,000 views in just one day, and it's still growing every single day.
Je suis le quinoa. Mes protéines complètes renforcent la structure capillaire. Fatigué des cheveux fins, moi les lentilles. Le fer stimule la circulation du cuir chevelu. Envie de cheveux plus forts? Je suis l'amande. La vitamine E protège les cheveux du stress oxydatif. Cheveux ternes et fragiles? Je suis le chou frisé. La vitamine C et le bêta-carotène stimulent la production de collagène pour des cheveux forts.
Cheveux fragiles? Moi les myrtilles. Mes antioxydants protègent les follicules capillaires.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful. It really supports the channel and motivates me to bring you more content like this. Also, let me know your opinion in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback about this video. You'll find the link in the first comment and in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and for your support.